and I don't know how we make it. Wait, hold on. Ooh, wait. Ooh, I know I got y'all. I know I got y'all. Cause normally you guys are used to me being coming from the left, but this time I came from the right. Well, actually, I guess technically, your guys is right. Cause boy, if you don't. Anyways, besides the point. We got ourselves another pair of sneakers we're looking at, and let's actually see what we dealing with today. There was a lot of passes on these, but ooh, I like these. Solid, not a must, but I actually do like these a lot. Let's check them out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your. Oh man! Wait, something in my eye. Something in my eye. Cut it. Hold on. Wait. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nephright. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review, and if you've seen the thumbnail, if you've seen the title, then you know exactly why you clicked on this, because today we are taking a look at another pair of Jordans. And let me just tell you, every time for this silhouette, every time they come out with it more and more, I'm just absolutely loving it every single time. Like, this silhouette is actually moving its way probably to my top 3 favorite Jordans of all time. So today we're gonna be taking a look at the Air Jordan 5 in the brand new colorway from Nike and Jordan brand, the Racer Blue colorway. And these were about like 50-50. The release date for these was February 12th, which was last Sunday. And I don't think a lot of people wanted them, but at the same time, there was demand for them. I just feel that maybe, I don't know, with February having an insane amount of heat coming, I think people kind of are more interested in other sneakers. That's just what I think. But we were able to go ahead and hit on these from Nike, so we will be taking a look at them right now. So as you can see, I did go ahead and I did get my box delivered to me. So let's dive into these Racer Blues right now. However, first and foremost, before we even dive into this, I always gotta say thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have shown the channel. I think currently we just surpassed 1,300 subscribers, and I think we're at like at 1,300. We're at 1,340. You guys are just pushing. The goal this year for me personally is 5 to 10K, but always I'm just grateful for the love and support that you guys show constantly. So I just want you to know before we even dive into the review, I really do appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you do like this video and you do subscribe. Also, turn the bell notifications on so whenever I drop a video, you guys will be the first alerted and noted that you guys can go ahead and actually click on the video and check it out for all the reviews coming for the channel. So I don't know what else to say. You guys always leave me speechless, and I just want you to know, like, I really do appreciate you guys so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Just thank you. Alrighty, now, so let's go ahead and take a dive in and look into these Racer Blue 5s. However, first and foremost, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing, and I always like to do it with matching headbands. So let's go ahead and get this headband on, and then we'll take a look at these Racer Blue 5. Let's go. And boom, here we go. Alright, so we got our headband on. So like I said, these are the Racer Blue 5, so I do have my Nike headband on, and as you can see, I do have my Jumpman shirt on as well. So let's go ahead and take my knife right here and actually cut into these. So like I said, these did release on February 12th, which was a Sunday, and the retail price for this was $200, and from what I saw from you guys were telling me that this actually was a pass. For me personally, because I do like 5s a lot, this was kind of a, I wouldn't say it was a must, but the colorway I really wanted as well. So I was able to go ahead and get these over on Nike sneakers, and they flew, but at the same time, like, I feel like if you wanted them, they were actually very widely available to go ahead and get them. So starting from the box right here we go. Right there, you have your regular Air Jordan 5 box. You have your all black with your red Jumpman right in the smack middle right there. Looking around the box as well, you do have your Air right there with your Jumpman. Then as you look on the other side as well, you have Air, and then it does read your size description. Let me go ahead and actually read the size description for you guys. So Size description does read Air Jordan 5 Retro. SKU code is CT4838004. We got that black racer blue. I did go ahead and get a 10.5. When it comes to sizing for Air Jordan 5s, I usually recommend going true to size. However, for me, because I do know my size, I usually go a half size down just because I do like a snugger fit. If you don't like a snugger fit, go that true to size and you will be fine. So, looking right there, there goes everything all to do with the box. And let's go ahead and actually dive into these right now. So I can go ahead and give you guys kind of like an overview on top. So let's go ahead and actually peel this back. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, here we go right there. You got your all white. You have a number right there. 102921B1. You do got your cement tissue paper. Ooh, that factory smell. That factory smell, I can already smell it. Let's go back and peel this back right now. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're greeted with the left right here. Oh man, let me go ahead and take this baby out. Yeah, these are nice. I don't care. These are nice. These are nice. Not a must, but they are nice. Let's go ahead and actually take out the right there. Oh my god, I almost dropped the box. Okay. Let me go ahead and actually put everything up. All right, and boom, voila, here they go. Right here, here's the left, here is the right. This is the Air Jordan 5 Racer Blue. I like these. I really, really do like these. They kind of remind me a little bit of the Air Jordan 5, the black grapes that came out a long time ago. I forgot exactly the actual year they came out. And not exactly, okay, not exactly, but they kind of remind me just a little bit of the metallic 5s. Only reason being, I guess what you could say as far as like the uppering goes, I guess the nubuck goes, that's the only thing they remind me of. I don't have any like black and blue 5s, so this is the closest thing I have to those. So what do we want to go ahead and start with? Do we want to go ahead and start with the left, or we want to go ahead and start with the right? Let's see what's better for the camera. Do we have I feel like let's look at the right today. Let's look at the right. So let's go ahead and actually take a look at him right here. So starting at the outsole right here, you do get a icy blue outsole. You have Jumpman, or excuse me, you have Jordan right in the middle right there. Then you do have your Jumpman in the racer blue. Coming up on the midsole, you get hit with that racer blue midsole with that black World War II fighter jet inspired design. As you come up to the toe box right here, you do have a nice kind of like it's a nubuck, as you can feel. Very nice. Let me see, hold on. Let me get an actual test for you. It's good quality, I like it. It's not insane quality, but it's decent. It's decent. As you come up, you do get hit with your laces that go all the way around. You do have your, oh my god, what I almost forgot was the lock, right? The shoe lock right here. I forgot what it's called. I do apologize for that. As you go up to your tongue right there, you have your racer blue tongue right there, and then you go ahead and let's look inside the back of it. You do have Air Jordan, which is stitched right there in black and white as well. You do have, like I said, that predominantly blue racer blue tongue. I like these a lot, man. These are nice. These are fire. Not a must-have, but I mean, if you were able to go ahead and scoop them up, why not? They're very simple. They're simple and nice looking inside. Let me go ahead and actually, oh, I don't know why I just remembered, lace lock. This is called the lace lock, excuse me. So let's go ahead and actually take a look inside the insole right there. As you can see, you do have a blue, actually it's kind of hard for me to see, excuse me, hold on. You have a blue insole with that white Jumpman right in the middle, and then you have your size tag in there. Mine does read 10.5 because this is a 10.5. And then as you come up at the back of it as well, you do get hit with that nubuck on the back of it as well, and then you get that baby racer blue Jumpman right in the back of the booty right there. And I like these. I really do like these. I don't think that these are a must. I know I keep saying that because I really truly don't think they're a must, but if you were able to grab them, they're nice. They're a nice collector for the collection. I will be having a lot of fits put together for these. Look over on my Instagram and there will be pictures dropping. You know there will be pictures dropping for these for sure. I like these a lot. Comment down below and let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 5 Racer Blue. Let me go ahead and actually get the left pair right here. I love right here the design. I love how it goes from blue to black. I love that a lot. Looking all around, these are a solid pair of sneakers for sure. These are a very solid shoe. Comment down below, let me know what you think, what are your opinions, because it really does mean a lot to me, for real. So I actually do like these a lot. I also right now want to do a comparison as far as the quality goes in comparison to the ones that came out last year, the Air Jordan 5 Moonlight. Let me actually get that for you really fast. Hold on. Alrighty, so looking right here, these are the Moonlight 5s, and then we also do have the Racer Blue 5s. So I just wanted to actually get these side by side to compare them in terms of like the quality. So the quality on the Moonlight is a lot more smoother than the quality on the Racer Blue. It's a lot more rougher. However though, I think I would much rather prefer the quality on these, the Moonlight, opposed to these. So I feel like if they would have maybe took this quality and swap it on here, I think it would have been better. But overall though, this is still a nice solid sneaker though. It really is. So comment down below and let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 5 Racer Blues. Alrighty guys, so this is going to conclude today's video over the Air Jordan 5 Racer Blue. I'm gonna go ahead and actually throw these on feet, but before I give you guys the on feet review for these, I want to give you guys a closer perspective, so check it out right here. And like I said, when it comes to these Racer Blues, personally, these are a solid pair of sneakers for sure. And for 5s, I think as far as 5s this year, this is probably more of the better ones. I know a lot of people have their own different opinions and thoughts on it, but I do think that this is a solid pair of 5s for sure. For me, I've been getting a lot more into 5s, so these were a must for me. I do like them. They're not considered, I'm not considering these a must, but for me they were. As far as February though, and as far as the rest of the year goes, we still have a whole bunch of stuff that is releasing. So if these were a pass, I clearly and understand you for sure. I do get it, because like I said, there is a lot more stuff coming out. But even with that said though, these are very versatile. You can get a lot of fits on. I just think that the color is just simple, clean, and it's very wearable to actually wear. So comment down below and let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 5 Racer Blues. Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the video over the Air Jordan 5 Racer Blues. Like I said, comment your opinions and let me know what you feel about these. Thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have shown the channel. It really does mean a lot, like seriously. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you tap in with the community post, because I do try to drop a post literally every day over on that community, so go check it out. And for me, it's a way for me to actually engage and actually feel, you know, interact with you guys, what you're feeling about releases for the week, for the month, for the year. And it really means a lot to me that you guys actually engage with that. So really do appreciate you guys. So like always, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. Remember, there's only ever going to be one you, so be the best you. Like seriously, just be you. And like I said, this is the review of the Air Jordan 5 Racer Blue. Comment down below, let me know what to think about them, and until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.